Welcome to the channel. We're back with another episode. We have a toilet that's discharging through the wall, not the floor. We're in a basement, it's a concrete floor, and the previous owners, I guess, had bought this style of toilet which has a 3-inch waistline going through the wall, not through the floor. So a bit of a unique situation, one that I haven't encountered before. This toilet was leaking. I found out pretty quickly it was the wax ring. Typically on a floor mounted toilet you can use a wax ring, and gravity kind of helps keep it in place and everything. In a wall discharge, I discovered through a little bit of research that wax ring is going to melt vertically over time, just going to droop and sag and not seal properly. So I replaced it with this. It's a Corky rubber silicone seal. I think it is going to work. I installed it. The toilet's fixed to the wall now. I'm going to test the bowl itself and see if there's any leaks, because I haven't done this before. And to do that, I'm just going to not fill up the tank, not install the supply line. I'm just going to pour water into here. I have already done this a couple times and nothing has shown up. So I'm fairly confident that that seal is doing its job. Now I did install this tile platform here. I'll bring it a little closer. The old 3-inch curb was made out of 2x12s, two of them stuck together, making up the 3 inches. And it was pretty wonky, it was moldy, it was starting to rot, not great. So I removed that, poured a concrete pad and tiled it. And I could also make sure that it was bang on level both ways, front and back and side to side. So that made the installation of the toilet fairly easy. Now I did have to raise it up about 1/8 of an inch, and I do come across that occasionally. The best solution I find to that, there's probably a few. I typically like using these horseshoe tiling clips because it's a dense plastic. It's not gonna compress much. I don't think it's gonna compress at all. So by just filling in that space, that 1/8 inch, knowing that my tile is perfectly level, it's a super easy way to just slide these in. You could also use composite shims. I don't mind using these, but it's easier using something that's a consistent 1/8 of an inch. So just a little tip there I found to come in handy. And in this situation too, you can see that I have my bolt securing to the wall through the flange, but it also requires a fastener going down into the floor. These also come in handy. You could use a washer, but with a horseshoe shim I can just slide it through the hole and then put my fastener down through it. It acts as a washer. So that is how I tackled this problem. I was struggling. I found a product that works. Hopefully it's helpful for you. If it is, let me know. If you have any better solutions, then please let me know as well in the comments. Also, I am gonna caulk silicone this base, leaving the back open a little bit in case water does come through. It'll leak out and you'll see it before it starts rotting the framing or something. And of course, trimming and baseboard, making it look fantastic. Alright. And yes, this shut-off valve should be replaced. Probably will be soon. Probably will have to be soon. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.